Good morning, everyone. So for today's activity, it is very similar to what we did on Tuesday and Wednesday of last week. I'm going to be giving you some instructions, verbal instructions. These instructions will also be shown at the end of the video, so you will get the verbal instructions, but then have the written instructions also. And from those instructions, you will draw a shape. At the end of your listening and drawing of the shape, you will take a picture of it and then you will submit it to the Add Response button in Seesaw. For this activity, you will need a piece of paper, blank. You will need a pencil or a pen, something to write with, and you will need a straight edge of some sort. Remember, a straight edge could be a ruler, it could be the edge of a card, it could be the edge of a piece of paper or a pad of paper. Whatever works for you will be fine for this activity. So, to start off, I need you to turn the paper. This is called, back this way. This is called a landscape. So I want you to turn it landscape in front of you. And in the middle of your paper, I want you to draw a point, write a point, and label the point K. I will show you what is expected of you to start with. Point K in the middle of your paper. Doesn't have to be exactly in the middle, but close. I will not show you any more. I am just now going to talk and write it myself. And so at the end, you'll know. So sooner or later, you'll see what the true answer is, so you can see if you were right. So you have point K at the beginning. In the upper right-hand corner of the paper, I want you to make another point, and you're going to label that point T, upper right-hand corner. Point T. After point T, I want you to go to the upper left-hand corner, and I want you to make another point in the upper left-hand corner, and you are going to label that point, point M. Your next instruction is to make a line segment MK. Line segment MK. Anywhere on your line segment MK, anywhere, I want you to draw another point. Anywhere on MK, draw another point, and I want you to label that point A. Create a point A anywhere on MK. Using the existing points that are on our drawing now, I want you to make a ray, and that ray is ray TA. Ray TA. Anywhere on the right side of your paper, about in the middle, on the right side of the paper, I want you to make one more point, and that point, again, on the right side, about in the middle, and that point is going to be point Z. Your final line or line segment is going to be line MZ. MZ. So I'll say that one more time. Line MZ. The nice part about this, boys and girls, is you can rewind it if you need to find out what it is that I said if I'm going too fast. You can also pause the video. Line MZ. I need you to label a point on your drawing. And the point that you're going to label is where MZ intersects TA. So line MZ It might not intersect. Probably does though. MZ should intersect ray TZ. I want you to label where it intersects with a point and I. Point I. I want you to find the angle that is angle T A K. Angle T A K, and I want you to mark it with your angle marking. Remember the angle marking is if you have your angle here and you have the marking there, that is your angle marking. So I want you to mark angle TAK with an angle mark. And then I want you to label that angle obtuse, right, or acute. My last task, I want you to find the triangle made up of M, I, A. Triangle M, I, A. And I want you to color it in with either a light pencil or some kind of crayon or a colored pencil, whatever it is, or you can just kind of mark it in with whatever material you're using, but I want you to color in the triangle M-I-A. Your last instruction is to write your name on this. You will then take a picture of it, and then after you take a picture of it, you will submit it to Seesaw, to the activity that this video is with, and submitted that as your ad response. Thank you, good luck, and have fun with this.